While resisting a push from the enemy forces, Ukrainian Marines destroyed a piece of Russian heavy artillery. The footage was released by the Navy of the Armed Forces of Ukraine on Thursday, August 18, along with a statement saying, "Yesterday, the Marines of the Armed Forces of Ukraine steadfastly and courageously resisted the Russian invaders on the fortified areas of the front, at the same time improving their tactical position. Our artillery units struck the concentration of manpower and equipment of the occupiers, as a result of which the 2C-7 Pion self-propelled artillery installation was destroyed. The final losses of the enemy are specified." In meantime, Ukrainian presidential aide Mikhailo Podolyak has said that the main bridge that connects Crimea to Russia must be dismantled. Podolyak called the bridge an illegal object, adding that it must therefore be dismantled. Not important how, voluntary or not, accidental or not, the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense posted a video on Twitter, with a mock-up of US Himars targeting the Kerch bridge while saying, "We are watching you." Ukraine's Minister of Defense, Oleksiy Reznikov, has said that his country had not lost any US-supplied Himars systems, contradicting Russian claims. Look out down below. Ukraine's tiny, terrifying DIY drones are carpet-bombing Russian forces. Videos that have appeared online in recent weeks depict locally made R-18 quadcopters carrying as many as 10 Soviet-style RKG-3 grenades. One video also depicts at least 2 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles, operating as a swarm, dropping a whole lot of grenades on one Russian armored vehicle, apparently destroying it. The videos speak to the Ukrainians' ingenuity as Russia's wider war on Ukraine grinds toward its 6th month. Ukrainian troops have been using drones, everything from 1,500-pound, missile-armed TB2s down to off-the-shelf quadcopters weighing just a few pounds, to scout for the enemy, direct artillery fire and drop grenades. Drones also have doubled as cruise missiles in Ukrainian service. Strap high explosives to a UAV and crash it into, or land it next to, a Russian installation. One recent modification to some quad and octocopter UAVs, including the signature R-18 flown by Aero Rozvedka, Ukraine's volunteer drone air force, allows them to carry as many 2-pound grenades as their payload allows. Around 10 in the case of the R-18. The modification, possibly assisted by 3D printing, adds to the drone what amounts to an open bomb bay. The extra firepower sometimes is necessary. An RKG-3 grenade packs around a pound of explosives. A half-pound, US-made M430 grenade has around a quarter-pound of explosives. A solid hit with either type might punch through an inch of steel armor. So the mighty Russian army has entered Ukraine as a hunter, but ended as a prey hunted by Ukrainian defenders.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.